Some major changes are coming to a chain where many of us eat every week. As customer trends show, we are more and more concerned with what's in our food. Panera Bread announced it's changing at least 150 ingredients to get rid of additives many probably didn't realize they were eating. NBC's Hallie Jackson has the details.
Panera Bread is cooking up a new menu, making headlines not for what it's adding, but what it's removing. Dozens of artificial preservatives, sweeteners, and flavors, including some FDA-approved additives also found in pesticides, petroleum wax, and perfume.
What we're attempting to do for consumers here is give them a comprehensive, transparent list that gives them clarity and allows them to feel confident in their choice.
Panera's one of many companies catering to the health conscious, like Nestle, which is getting rid of fake flavors and colors in some candy bars, and Kraft transitioning to natural spices instead of synthetics in mac and cheese.
It's great that companies are responsive to what people say they want. Whether they will purchase this based on changing taste and texture and appearance remains to be seen.
Some food safety advocates say Panera's moves are more about public relations than public health, arguing just because something's artificial doesn't make it unsafe.
There's a lot of scary stuff on here. Does this say glycerol ester of wood rosin?
But Gia Battaccio says she feels better knowing what she is and is not feeding her family.
This just makes it easier for me to know that I walk into a place, it's healthy, I don't have to think about it.
For Panera, it's a new menu to reflect changing tastes. Hallie Jackson, NBC News, Los Angeles.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and then click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.